Hello there, people. I'm going to do a quick update of my Filofax Metropole and starting right away with I did put this in this top opening envelope, just tape butterfly, not cool. Here I do have the this is the what is cool, but I do use it in a different way. Made Saturday and Sunday also, but I do have it here. I do have not to 9 to 6 p.m. and other side early morning and late evening, night. I do really need, I don't know why, but I do. So this hasn't changed, but I did put past months in these clips, and I'm going to show you. This is the week in 2 pages, what I have used. Just a little bit started to do integrating. Just a little bit. Yeah, and I do have 2 rulers, 2 day markers to take the other one from another Filofax away because I don't need it there. So I did change that in the beginning of this month, the week in 1 page, because I don't need that much room what in the week in 2 pages is, at least at this moment. And I like this. It's simple, and I do have the room for the notes in the other side. Just something what I like. And next, this yellow here goes to months, and here I do keep my months with these. So this month, and I do have a first sticker there. Make a little bit of decorating, not much, but little. Did want to try something. And the year planner is nice, but I find it a lot more easier to write from the weekly pages when I have to write the blocks and so on. So I'm thinking of should I keep this or not, to have this tab for blogs and YouTube. Haven't tried much there, but behind this are also those papers And I do keep some of my papers with this. Now I should change this because I have put here for my paper shop what I have bought, but not sure is this the right sized, and made this plastic to behind here. Sorry. Yeah, I do have this fountain pen here. I think that was there from that part, and I have to say that I poked sorry this calendar at the end, so it was cheap and it's moving because I want to. I do like these pictures. I want to make dividers from some of these. Going to make quick, or try to make quickly this showing. This one is picker. I don't know, will I use this or will I do something else? But really I like these older styled pictures more than the new ones. Here's the bit of paper of that calendar. This one is something what I might put my coming file of facts. So let's see. I think I'm going to say just bye for now. I do have something up, and I should do that video of my wallet. Oh crap. But okay, see you later. Bye.